Hi, today I'm trying to show how I did my own simple homemade what do you call it, fire stove. So built some bricks around, 4 at the bottom as a base, 4 on the sides, and then I put two containers, a smaller one on the inside and a bigger one, and a flat so-called pot. And then you need this 70% isopropyl alcohol. Okay, I'll just put a little bit, like maybe a few millimeters. Some tap water, tap would do, not distilled, not mineral water, don't waste it. The temperature of my showroom, this is my showroom, is 16.5 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 57%. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to pour some alcohol into this container. Okay, just 1, 2 or 3 millimeters depth. Put it back in the middle. Close the top. Okay. This 4 is to obviously raise the container of water from the fire, so that there's air going into the fire. I'm using this to boil the tap water, so that when it heats up, hopefully the temperature will increase, humidity will go up, I think. Okay, so I'm going to light now. Okay, it's light up now. Video it. Maybe I don't even need this. Okay, so now the time, you know the time?
Check. 11:13.
11:13 a.m. What date is it?
December 7th.
Oh, the fire got put up.
Oh.
Because I can't cover the... Eleven 17.
11:13.
11:13. 16.8 degrees. 57%. We will come back, let the water boil first, and see how things go. I don't even need this, I think. Okay, we are back. About 10 minutes later. The water is boiling, can see the steam. Alright, can see the steam.
Yeah.
And the temperature has gone up from 16.9 degrees Celsius to 17.3. Not bad for 10 minutes. And this is, it was 57, now it's 58. Okay, it proves to be working. I will observe and post this up on YouTube. Thanks for watching.